Hi guys, so in your week 2 unit menu, there's an option to play a game, the Super Ultimate Graphing Challenge. Now, you might find that when you open it, Adobe Flash Player is blocked. There's a couple ways to go about unblocking. Some of you might be able to just click on it and make that happen. So, the other way to do it, if you look up at the top at the URL, so it says not secure, you click that. Now mine, I can just automatically change it. I could go to this drop down menu and go to allow. But let's say I didn't have that because sometimes that doesn't come up. Go to site settings, scroll until you see Flash, go to the drop down menu, allow. You can X out of that and go back to the website and just reload. And there you go, you should see something like that and you should be good to go. Anytime we use a application where Flash needs to be allowed, that's the way you go and do it. So have fun.